So now we're gonna go ahead and set your lever height and try to make sure they're even. So first, let's go ahead and remove this compression cap. Alrighty, put it someplace safe. Then we're gonna take a couple of tools. We have the TB-1946B and the TB-1946. You're gonna put these two together like so. Alrighty. Then you're going to carefully start screwing it in there. Make sure we're getting it in there, okay? And then you can just use the top here. There you go. And you want to screw down until it's pretty tight, not rocking around too much. Okay, nice and tight. You don't need to go too tight with it. Next, we are going to set this post to the lever, and we will compare. Swing it over, and we are looking for even lever position. As you can see, it's hitting here. So this lever is slightly higher than this one. No big deal. We just need to lower this lever a little bit. You're gonna just peel your hood cover off or back a little bit. Put a 5mm Allen key in there. Now, they're all kind of located in this area. Some are at the top, some are at the side, but they're all about the same. I'm gonna jiggle it down just a little. Tighten it up. So I wanna make sure they're nice and even. Then, again, I'm gonna compare. Okay, so yeah, now we're looking nice and even. Then, again, I'm gonna find the bolt in here. It's sometimes a little tricky to find. Okay, and then, click, and you're ready to go. Okay, not gonna move, so yep, we're done. Now this is a great tool, but a quick word of warning. When you're not using the tool, it's gonna wanna rotate down like this, no problem, but if this post is extended too far down, you could possibly damage your frame. How do I know this? Well, I did it. So, when you're not using it, just pull your post nice and high here, and now there's no chance of you damaging your frame.